Look, my name is Viviana. I know, I get it. I hate marketers too. But all I'm trying to do is really to educate you on your current online status and your online presence. So let me just have a look at this video. It's going to take 5 minutes long, and it's actually loaded with tons of valuable information for your business. So let's start with the content on your website. So I really like that you have the chat box here. You have the click to call button. It's very easy to navigate, in fact, and the contact us form. So very easy to reach out to you guys. In terms of the amount of content, right now you have 275 words in the front page. And it's important to have content because Google likes to see content to start ranking the websites. So let's start having a look at your competitors. So Precision Door, this is a landing page for Orlando. They have 969 words, so a lot more content. They are ranking #1 for the organic search. And we also have Armstrong, Garage Door Inc. They'll have links to their social media accounts, the click to call buttons, and right now they have 1,388 words, and they are ranking #2. So definitely an opportunity worth pursuing. Just add more content and more relevant content. And what I mean by that is that when I came in to Google search and I type in garage door repair Orlando, which is a buyer intent keyword, or basically what people type in when they want to buy products, or in this case, a service. This is what people type in, and this is what we call buyer intent. Google shows three sections. So the first one is the ads section, which are good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive, and some people actually have the ability to turn them off. So they just skip them altogether. The second section is a really important one, which is the Google Map packs. They are driving at the moment 40% of the traffic. So having a massive impact on on small businesses and business owners as well. Um, to rank at the top of the Google Map packs, you need three things. You need pictures, so have more pictures than your competitors. You need reviews, and you need citations. And a citation is anywhere your business is listed on any directory, such as Yellow Pages, Facebook, Yelp, all of those. And the important thing is that the details on the citation need to match those on the Google Business Profile. They need to be identical so that Google can verify your details and can rank your business at the top. Now, the third section, and this is where I found your competitors, is what we call the organic search. And the organic search to rank at the top, it's a combination of two things. So first, including those relevant keywords in the content of your website so that Google can find you, and also the backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs, and Ahrefs shows us the backend of our website. And right now, for your website, it's saying to me that it has 394 backlinks in 16 referring domains. That means that there are 394 links in 16 external websites directing traffic to your website. Now let's have a look at your competitors. So Precision Door, they have 3,310 backlinks in 144 referring domains, and Armstrong, they have 3,930 backlinks in 113 referring domains. So the message here is that you actually need a little bit more backlinks, and not only a little bit, I mean, you need to not only the same amount of backlinks as your competitors, but ideally have more than what they have, and also have powerful backlinks, because not all backlinks are created equal. Backlinks that are more powerful are those that are sitting on websites that are related to your industry, to your niche, and to your service. And Google has algorithms to verify this, and can they give you higher points for this and rank you at the top. Now, the other thing that I wanted to share with you is the organic keywords. So right now you are being ranked for 35 organic keywords. And these keywords are, so if I look at this, you can see here this dashboard shows you the keywords. The volume shows you the number of times this keyword was searched for in any given month or per month. And the position shows you in which position your website is appearing for that keyword in the Google search. So anything beyond the 10th position means that you're already on the second page of Google. So very few clicks you're going to get, or very few traffic, because no one is actually being able to see you, to see your website, or very few people is actually seeing your website. Now, and here you have this keyword, which is garage door repair Kissimmee. The search volume, for example, just for this keyword is 200 searches per month. Because you are in the 13th position, you were only able to drive traffic of 2.3 people, or 2.3, yeah, clicks going to your website. If I look at your competitors, they currently have, for example, precision doors. They are being ranked for 2,000 organic keywords. And just the first keyword, garage door repair Orlando, it has a search volume of 800 searches per month. And they are being ranked number one, meaning that just for that keyword, they were in front of 800 people, and a percentage of those actually click there and reach out to them, and then a percentage of those who reached out, depending on their closing rate, they were able to convert into customers. And if you look at all of this, then at the end, all of those buyer intent keywords, so you just add them, and the objective is to target as many buyer intent keywords as you can, so that your website can be in front of more people more often, and that closing rate, and the number of customers is actually higher. So that's why it is important to drive traffic to your website. So just to recap, you can include more content and more relevant content to your website. You can improve your ranking in the Google My Business profile, and you can improve your ranking in the Google search by adding more backlinks. So again, my name is Viviana. If you like what you saw on this video, please feel free to arrange a one-on-one consultation with me, or you can use all of this information and implement it on your own. All I'm asking for is some feedback in return. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.